Hey, Mark Rice here, and today we will talk about creativity. So, everything is created twice. First in our mind, then in the world around us. And because of that, it's very essential to learn about creativity. Because without creativity, you will be so far from yourself. And through these 7 answers, we will learn more about creativity and yourself as well. So creativity is everywhere, and we are the fish in the ocean of the creativity. And if you ask yourself where creativity comes from, is the same as you asking the fish where the ocean is. Maybe you don't see it, but you live in it. The whole world is created, and it means that you will find it everywhere. This video is part of the creation, and if you're watching it on your phone, that device is created by someone. So instead of asking yourself where creativity comes from, ask yourself how to allow creativity in my life and how to use that energy to improve myself. And if you learn that, you will become a wizard. Creativity is nothing but the energy which creates, so first you're a creative being. And I bet that you have countless ideas in your head right now. So you already created in your mind, and now you need to create it in material world. So the next step is very excited because here you will meet the inspiration. You need to courage and you need to be inspired to do that. And if you want to push that desire, you need to learn certain tools. So everything can be creativity. Cooking, dancing, walking, drawing, everything. Every moment is an opportunity to be creative. So you don't need to become an artist to be creative. Just put the creativity in everything what you do and you will become an artist. Creativity is like the air around you. You don't need to learn air, just breathe and that's it. It's the same with the creativity. You need to learn how to express yourself and find out which language is best for your expression. So pick up something that is easy for you and hard for others. It is the first sign that is your purpose and strength. If you want to live a fulfilled life, you need to create. And you're here to grow, guided by the wisdom of the universe. But that knowledge and that wisdom is nothing without actions. And your action needs to be a pure expression of creativity. In that creative process you will make mistakes for sure, but don't worry, this is just the part of the process. So take the action and use those mistakes like a guide for your personal development and growth. Creativity is just creativity, but you can learn and improve expression of your creativity. In my opinion, the best way to improve your creative flow is a personal challenge. I love personal challenges. For example, if I want to improve one part of my creativity, I create a challenge for that. If I want to become better in some part of the drawing, I create 30 days of drawing for that part. And I have 2 rules. First, I try not to miss the day. Second, I try to improve myself in every new day and learn something from the previous obstacles. You will be surprised with the rapid growth in that field of your creativity. Everything has a certain level of creativity, but some actions are so far from the pure creativity. For example, if you create something over and over, same thing, or if you copy another artist over and over. If you want to be original and big in creativity, just do something more often and every time improve something. So you need to combine number of creation with number of improvements, and then you will get it. You can kill creativity, only you can choose not to create. So don't wait the right moment, just do it. Life gave you an endless source of creativity, you need just to pull the next step. So don't wait for it, just do it right now. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope that you like it video. If you like it, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned because the best is yet to come. Oh yes, peace.